Hey, I'm Scott. My channel's Scooter's Home Garage. Just a DIY guy trying to figure out how to fix things. I have a yard machine snowblower and the primer bulb is all jacked up. It's a real pain in the neck because if I run it out of gas, and I do run it out of gas intentionally to store the mower for long periods of time, I can't get it started again because I can't prime the carburetor because the primer bulb's messed up. So, bought a primer bulb for like 10 bucks. I'm going to see if I can get this fixed so I don't have issues time and time again. If you want to see me do it, feel free to stick around. Okay, we're taking care of the old yard machine today. This is the one with the PowerMore 179cc overhead valve, which is the Honda knockoff. It's an MTD machine. So, you know, it's a Walmart machine. It's cheap snowblower, but it's worked this winter, which has been great given the amount of snow we've gotten. So the presenting problem we have is this primer bulb is collapsed, hasn't been working, and if I run it out of gas, it doesn't want to restart because I can't really prime the engine, get the gas in the carburetor. So we're going to replace this primer bulb. Simple job, and we'll take care of that. Okay, I think the first thing I'm going to do, well, I've already taken the cover off, which you can see there. Took the cover of the muffler off. So here's the general cover, and here's the cover for the muffler. I'll put those back on in a sec. But you're going to need those to get to the back of this primer bulb. So you'll see the line going in and then the bulb itself. So to get this, I'm going to start by taking off this handle just so it's not in the way, which is a simple thing is unscrewing it. Get this bad boy right out of the way. Okay, so we're going to start by pulling the little hose out. It's that simple. So, got that pulled out, put that off to the side. Now we got to pinch the little clips in here and just peel this thing off. Okay, so hopefully we can pinch these, peel that out back, pinch the two little sides together. Got to pull back. You can see this thing is all jacked up, so it needed to go and get replaced. Just was not working. So I got this primer bulb from, I think it was Parts Tree or one of those. You can see the part number 951-10639A, and I don't know, it was maybe $9 or something with shipping, but this is the part, and it's OEM, obviously it's an MTD primer. So the new primer, ready to go, looks exactly like the old one, except it's not all collapsed and messed up. So to put this in, you just line it up, and hopefully it'll click in, just like that. Now I just have to attach the tube on the other side. So now we just got to get this tube on, make sure it's on all the way. Let's just hopefully that is priming the carburetor. Next up, we have to put this back through. Okay, so we need to get this screw back in here, and then on this side we'll just screw in the handle. There's a washer here that you need to pay attention to. And that washer is shaped to fit perfectly on the pipe there, on the pipe that makes up the handle. Okay, so handle's back on and not in the way of the primer bulb, so we're good to go. Now we got to get the cover on the muffler first, and then we'll put the whole cover on this whole section of the engine. I guess it's like a shroud. Okay, we're going to start by putting this shroud over the exhaust. So I have no idea what the torque specs are on this, so I'm just doing them hand tight here. It's just a shroud, so that's on there good and tight. We have this larger shroud. Alright, that's generally lined up. So this last screw has to go, this last bolt is all the way back here, and it doesn't fit because of the shroud. So I'm going to try to peel the shroud up. Let's see what I can do. So this is a 10 millimeter, and I'm going to have to just do this the slow way, I think, here. So I just went to the other side of the snowblower. I got to get this shroud back in. I took a little screw out, so now I just got to figure out how to get that screw back in. I got to investigate where exactly that little... Okay, so found this hole. Okay, let's see if this will stick. if I ran it out of gas and then tried to get it started and I would run it out of gas to store it, I couldn't get the carburetor primed. So it was this battle of putting starter fluid in and just trying to get it going. So now hopefully with that primer bulb, we're good to go. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.